Here's a quick look at the 2020 Toyota Tundra TTD Off-Road CrewMax. This is a BC truck that is accident-free and presents in fantastic condition, inside and out. Comes to us with 2 sets of original keys. Was just reconditioned with new brakes. Also got the water pump done. A full list of options, including a look at the inspection and the Carfax reports, can be seen over at DealerShift.ca. Quick look at the frame there. This truck does not present like a work truck. Look at the bed liner there. Soft tonneau cover. Another look at the undercarriage here. Into the rear driver's side, you've got rubber floor mats throughout and a brand new set of carpet mats from the original owner. No cuts, tears, or burns to point out, no smells of any kind. Just a very well kept example. Inside now for a startup, you do have keyless entry. Just 66,000 kilometers on the dash. Toyota's safety sense features like lane keep assist, and autonomous emergency braking, your backup camera with sensors, as well as heated front seats. And finally, Toyota's renowned reliability, one of the last model years of the 5.7 liter I-Force. Just a fantastic truck. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out. This is the very well kept 2020 Toyota Tundra TTD Off-Road CrewMax.